Oh, this might not work out very well. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special and unique video for you. A few weeks ago I mentioned that I collect antique cast iron, and I got so many comments of you guys being like, I collect antique cast iron too, which I don't even know why I'm surprised, because you and me, we're friends. Today I am going to attempt to make waffles while I'm out camping using this antique cast iron that you see right here. This is an antique Griswold cast iron pan. This is the Griswold ones are the ones that I collect. And we found this at a thrift store in Montana over the summer, but we haven't used it yet. How it works is you kind of has two parts here, and you put the batter in and then you flip it on this thing. But this is just going to be kind of an experiment to see if we can actually make waffles while we're out camping. That's something that I typically wouldn't be able to make. So having this is going to be really fun. I'm not sure how old this one is. I haven't done the research, but I know the cast iron pan that I have is like 100 years old. So this is probably somewhere around that, which I just think is so cool that I can use something like this that's 100 years old. Anyway, I've been on the hunt for one of these waffle irons for quite a while now, so we're gonna get over to the fire pits and see if we can make some waffles. Let's go. So this is going to be an experiment. This might not work out very well. When I was originally thinking about how I wanted to do this, I thought I would make it over a campfire. So we actually had a fire going in here this morning. But then Nick suggested that we make it with the briquettes, and that actually sounds like a way better idea because we can control the heat a lot better when we're using briquettes. So that's what we have here, a bunch of briquettes. And then I have my little chimney starter to just get them going, and these tongs to help me kind of move them around. So that's, I think, how we're going to start. So I have, I think, about 15 or so briquettes in here. And as you can see from this bag, I sometimes just rip this off. And I use that to put underneath. Might need some more paper. We'll see how that goes. And then I'm gonna light that. The briquettes are going behind me. They're actually almost ready, so I'm gonna whip up the batter right now. I think this bowl is gonna be way too small, but I'm gonna go with it anyway. So we need 1 cup. All right, and then 1 cup of water. It says 1 tablespoon of oil, which I'm just gonna guesstimate here because I don't have a tablespoon. This thing comes out so fast. Right, so that's it for this mix. Okay, this batter looks way too thin. So I'm gonna add more of the mix. We're going off script here. It's gonna be fine. I think that looks pretty good. I'm so excited. I'm ready. The briquettes are done or ready to be used, and you know that when they all turn kind of white and ashy. So I'm just gonna set these aside, and I think our plan is to put some here and then put the cast iron waffle pan on top on this grate. So we're just gonna go for it. I was gonna start with 6 of these on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, wait. That's already 6. And we'll kind of see how the temp is with 6 of them. Like this. And this is gonna go like that. Does it fit? Oh, look at that. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna let this preheat for a while, see how hot it gets. We have some butter that we're gonna add to the cast iron and then pour the batter in and see what happens. Okay, on further inspection, I think we decided it's gonna need a little bit more heat. So I'm gonna put a couple more under here, get all of the areas. 10, right? We're up to 10. Things are still not getting hot enough. So we're gonna put all of the briquettes that we have on the bottom there and then actually start a new batch in case we need even more heat. I mean, it's definitely getting hot. It's just not like sizzling hot, which is what I think we need. Okay, I'm getting hot now. It was freezing this morning. And I have like fleece lined pants on. Fleece everywhere. Okay, we're gonna do the little water drop test and see if it sizzles, and then I think it will be ready. So here we go. Ooh, yes, okay. I think we're ready. It is time. Let's hope I don't get a bunch of sand in that mix. I have a little butter here. I'm gonna put that in the pan and then add the batter. I need like a little table over here. I don't know how we're gonna get this around. Let me get a towel. Because this handle is cast iron and this is wood and kind of wobbly, and so I'm just gonna, now I can actually just grab onto it a little bit better. This thing is heavy. All right, let's see, pick this up. Time. We've done like 2 minutes on each side. I'm so nervous. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Oh no, it's like glued together. Let's let that sit for a little bit longer. It's pretty darn good if it didn't stick to the pan. And you need a little bit longer to cook, more butter, maybe even higher heat. But now I gotta clean this up and start over, which I don't know how I'm gonna do that because it's hot. Waffle number 1. Take number 2, more butter, a little bit more runny batter, and a longer cook time. Changing a lot of variables at once. It's not usually good habit. Okay, wait, bird, come. No, 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 no. There's a bluebird that keeps coming for that waffle. I'm putting like a whole... We interrupt this video for slow-mo shots of Waffles the bird. So I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of butter in this time. Okay, here we go. Okay, test number 2. Here we go, the moment of truth. Oh, we've done it! Maybe, we gotta get it out of here. Let me flip it back around. Oh, look at that. Probably could use even more time, get a little crispier. It's gonna get a little more crisp on it. Oh yeah, this smells good too. Oh no, no, my beautiful waffle. We have done it. We've made waffles while camping on an antique cast iron pan. How cool is that? I'm just like nerding out right now. For those of you who collect cast iron, this video was for you. I have some honey, local raw honey that I'm gonna put on here, and some strawberries. So we're about to dive in, and then I'm gonna keep pumping them out. So good. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.